Hello to all the children out there. It's Santa from the Jervis Shopping Centre. I'm very pleased to tell you, and congratulations, you're all on my good list. So I make you all a promise, I'll bring you whatever I can for Christmas. But stay on the good list. And also, from all the people in the Jervis Shopping Centre, I wish all the parents and the children a wonderful Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! So, all my elves have been so busy getting all your presents ready. So what I'll say to you is, don't forget, stay on the good list, because they're working so hard for you. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!